Hello beauties. Today is 4th of July in America, and so for the occasion, since the staple of 4th of July celebration is fireworks, I decided to do some firework freckles for you. So come along with me and I'll show you how to do it.
Time to grind. Okay, eyes first. Can you see the glitter? I don't know if you can or not. I'm gonna go for this pretty colors and brown. I'm gonna put on some waterproof mascara. I'm feeling tired. I guess to do my eyebrows. Beauty cream. 8-in-1. Beauty balm shampoo. I don't know how to rate them. Blurs imperfections. Wait. Okay. Blurs imperfections. Enhances. Brightens. Adjusts to skin tone. Smooths. Hydrates. SPF 30 protects. 0% oils and other heavy ingredients. Ready? Body impression. Somebody a whisper though. So pretty. Before I move on, because I can feel my lips being upset, I'm gonna go ahead and scrub them. So the good thing about this one is it's from Lush, so I can just lick it off. Making for you video. Speaking of bunny! Oh my god, guys. I just did a bunny impression. Somebody called Vogue. And I just got a YouTube alert that the bunny has a new video up. Guys, that's funny. Anyway, I'll watch that in a little bit. Just put it there. Got it. Concealer. So now I'm going in an actual foundation. Look guys, half matte, half grease. So pretty. Now, the fun part. Since it is 4th of July here, and gotta have fireworks, right? Gotta have fireworks. I figured my fireworks could be freckles. I'm literally just like using Halloween makeup, cream makeup to do this, and it's sticky sponge, which I learned from Mikey from Glen and Clark. I have a friend, she has really pretty freckles. She always puts on tons of makeup and covers it all up. So pretty. You see my freckles? It's not funny. What? Ellie. She doesn't care. Say hi. That's not hi. You know how we say hi, Amy? Mama started to tell you about under the covers, a second in others. Oh, turn up and pretty your face, and say all the words and see who was it gonna be. Beautiful. I feel pretty, oh so pretty, pretty and pretty and bright. Sorry guys, I'm going on America's Got Talent. I'm not doing an American Idol. Southern Cal is not on America's Got Talent, so I'm gonna go there. Mindy, leave my necklace alone. Hey, leave it alone. I get into intros.